Hello, hello, everybody. My name is Mr. Dramou, and welcome to today's lesson. So, in this video, we are going to learn advanced Excel step by step. So, in today's video, we are going to start with the if function. As you can see here in this table, we are having in functions. So those functions, we are going to explain them one after the other. So what to do if you want to learn those functions, you just follow me on my YouTube. Go to YouTube and type the name George Dramou. That's all. You will see all my videos and all those functions will be included. So let's get started. Have you seen we are having a lot of functions and powerful in advanced Excel. So taking the function step by step, we are going to start with the function number 1. So the function number 1 will be the if function. So as we can see the if function, that will be the function number 1. So we are going to come down and start clicking on the link to send us to the if function table. So I click on the link. So we are seeing the if function tables. We are seeing here, this is the number 1, the table number 2, and down here is the table. So what to do now? Those are the questions they are giving us so far. We are seeing 2 questions. I mean, we are going to work with 2 tables. So the first table will be what? In the first table, we are saying the name, the mark, and the status. We are seeing here. Those are what we are going to work with. So if you are seeing the marks, I mean that we are working with students table. So working with the students table is going to help us to learn many things with the if functions. But first of all, before going down to the table, we have to know the definition of the if. We also have to know how to use the if. So to know the if, we are going to click on the link that's going to give us the definition of the if. Working with if built-in function. So here is the definition of the if function. The if function is one of the logic functions. It's the logical function to return one value if a condition is true or if the condition is false. So we can also call the if function the boolean. Why are we calling the if function the boolean? Any function that works as boolean, it means that it's having 2 conditions. The first condition is the true condition, and the second is the false. So the 2 things here are going to give us the name we call boolean. So the boolean is here to give us the argument if that is false or true. Those are the logic. So to understand those things, we have to get down to the table and see how can we manipulate this function. and how to give the result of this function. So I close the link here and start now by the table number 1. We are going to work with this table. Obviously, we're having a lot of names here. Those names are students' names. So we want to cut this. I have to remove the result, and the place should be what? Blank, like this. And I get down to the question, because we have to take the question before answering. We cannot. So here is the question. If a student mark is 70, that person should take pass. Student mark is greater than or equal to 70. The student should, so we will get down to the table. Or if this agreement is false, the student should take false. So we are having two things together here. We are having the false is going to come down, the pass is going to come down to the false. It means that if the agreement is not true, should take false. If it is true, should take what? Pass. So now we get down to the table based on the question 70. Keep that in mind, and also take the pass and take the false. We combine them together by giving what? The result. We go up to the table. Easy. So this is the table. Working with the if function, that is the equal sign. So the equal sign, what is going to help us to give this answer? So if we want to give this do, we have to take this here and type like this. If we select the entire table, if the range equal to greater than or equal to 70, comma, and that should be what? Pass, comma, otherwise should be what? Fail. You close what? You close the bracket. So this is what we are going to type here. What is the range? The range is what is going to be here. The range is going to be here. So the range is, we are going to select this place in order the value should come here. So this is what we are going to type and to give us the answer. So let's go down and type it in the formula bar. I click here and I come here. I take what? Equal to. If what? If the mark is greater than or equal to 70, comma, the student should be passed. Otherwise, they should fail. And we close the bracket. We are closing the bracket once because of what? We're having one if. So if, for instance, we were having 2 or 3 if, we can close the bracket 2 times. And the answer has come here. So the 7 pass, the 57 fail. So this is how to learn the if function. So in the next video on my YouTube account, you are going to see the second table. So be with me, subscribe to my YouTube account. Please follow me on my YouTube, George Dramou. On Facebook, George Dramou. On Instagram, George Dramou. On Twitter, WhatsApp me with my WhatsApp number in my accounts. Thank you so far. We shall meet in the next video. Bye.